Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic. It is separated from Great Britain to its east by the North Channel, the Irish Sea, and St. George's Channel. Ireland is the second largest island of the British Isles, the third largest in Europe. Politically, Ireland is divided between the Republic of Ireland, officially named Ireland, which covers 5/6 of the island, and Northern Ireland, which is part of the United Kingdom. The Republic of Ireland is a parliamentary democracy. Dublin, capital of the Republic of Ireland, is on Ireland's east coast at the mouth of River Liffey. Its historic buildings include Dublin Castle, dating to the 13th century, and imposing St. Patrick's Cathedral, founded in 1191. City parks include landscaped St. Stephen's Green and huge Phoenix Park containing the Dublin Zoo. The National Museum of Ireland explores Irish heritage and culture. Trinity College, officially the College of the Holy and Undivided Trinity of Queen Elizabeth near Dublin, is the sole constituent college of the University of Dublin. The college was founded in 1592 by Queen Elizabeth I as the mother of a new university modelled after the collegiate universities of Oxford and Cambridge. But unlike these other ancient universities, only one college was ever established. Trinity College is now surrounded by central Dublin and is located on College Green opposite the historic Irish Houses of Parliament. The Book of Kells is Ireland's greatest cultural treasure and the world's most famous medieval manuscript. The 9th century book is a richly decorated copy of the four Gospels of the life of Jesus Christ, an illuminated manuscript Gospel book in Latin, containing the four Gospels of the New Testament. The main chamber of the old library is the long room at nearly 65 meters in length. It is filled with 200,000 of the library's oldest books and is one of the most impressive libraries in the world. Temple Bar. Since 1840, this quintessential Dublin pub has dispensed renowned hospitality and traditions of excellence to generations of Dubliners and visitors alike. Today, the Temple Bar is famous across the globe for its traditional ambience, unrivaled vitality, and for their celebrated charm. Additionally, they have become the established home of traditional Irish music in Dublin, the pub with the largest selection of whiskies in Ireland, and the pub with the largest selection of sandwiches in the world. St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin, Ireland, founded in 1191, is the national cathedral of the Church of Ireland. With its 43-meter spire, St. Patrick's is the tallest church in Ireland and the largest Christ Church Cathedral. St. Patrick was a 5th century Romano-British Christian missionary and bishop in Ireland. Known as the Apostle of Ireland, he is the primary patron saint of Ireland. Throughout its long history, the cathedral has contributed much to Irish life, and one key aspect of this relates to the writer and satirist Jonathan Swift, author of Gulliver Travels, who was dean of the cathedral from 1713 to 1745. Guinness Storehouse is a tourist attraction at St. James Gate Brewery in Dublin. Since opening in 2000, it has received over 4 million visitors. The storehouse covers 7 floors surrounding a glass atrium shaped in the form of a pint of Guinness. Grafton Street is one of the 2 principal shopping streets in Dublin city centre, the other being Henry Street. It runs from St. Stephen's Green in the south to College Green in the north. In 2008, Grafton Street was the 5th most expensive main shopping street in the world. The street was named after Henry Fitzroy, 1st Duke of Grafton, the illegitimate son of Charles II of England. The Cliffs of Moher are sea cliffs located at the southwestern edge of the Burren region in the County Clare, Ireland. They run for about 14 kilometers. At their southern end, they rise 120 meters above the Atlantic Ocean, and 8 kilometers to the north reach their maximum height of 214 meters. The cliffs rank among the most visited tourist sites in Ireland, with around 1.5 million visits per annum. Some scenes from the movie Harry Potter: The Half-Blood Prince were shot at the Cliffs of Moher. Dunluce Castle is a now ruined medieval castle in Bushmills, Northern Ireland. It is located on the edge of the basalt outcropping in County Antrim and is accessible via a bridge connecting it to the mainland. It is very famous as it was used as the location of Castle Greyjoy in Game of Thrones. The Giant's Causeway is an area of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic fissure eruption. It was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986. Most of the columns are hexagonal, although there are also some with 4, 5, 7 or 8 sides. The tallest are about 12 meters high, and the solidified lava in the cliffs is 28 meters thick in places. According to legend, the columns are the remains of a causeway built by a giant. The story goes that the Irish giant was challenged to fight by a Scottish giant. He accepted the challenge and built the causeway across the North Channel so that the two giants could meet. Carrick-a-Reed Rope Bridge is a famous rope bridge near Ballintoy in County Antrim, Northern Ireland. The bridge links the mainland to the tiny island of Carrick-a-Reed, meaning Rock of the Casting. It spans 20 meters and is 30 meters above the rocks below. The area is exceptional in natural beauty with stunning views. Carrick-a-Reed Island is the best example of a volcanic plug in Northern Ireland. We are taking the rope bridge. The Dark Hedges is an avenue of beech trees along the Bragag Road, Northern Ireland. The trees form an atmospheric tunnel that has been used as a location in HBO's popular television series Game of Thrones, which has resulted in the avenue becoming a tourist attraction. In about 1775, James Stewart built a new house named Gracehill House after his wife Grace Lind. Over 150 beech trees were planted along the entrance road to the estate to create an imposing approach. According to legend, the hedges are visited by a ghost called the Grey Lady, who travels the road and fleets across it from tree to tree. The Ring of Kerry is a 179-kilometre long circular tourist route in County Kerry, southwestern Ireland. There is an established walking path named the Kerry Way, which takes its own route, and a signposted Ring of Kerry cycling path, which uses older, quieter roads where possible. The Kerry Way roughly follows the scenic driving route of the Ring of Kerry. Adair is a small village in County Limerick, Ireland. Renowned as one of Ireland's prettiest towns, Adair is designated as a heritage town by the Irish government. The district population in 2011 was 2,650. The main street combines typical Irish architecture with the English-style buildings and infrastructure purpose-built for the Dunraven estate. Examples of the latter architectural forms include the thatched cottages near the entrance to Adair Manor. Killarney National Park was the first national park in Ireland created in 1932. The park has since been substantially expanded and encompasses over 102 square kilometers of diverse ecology, including the lakes of Killarney, oak and yew woodlands of international importance, and mountain peaks. It has the only red deer herd on mainland Ireland and the most extensive covering of native forest remaining in Ireland. Tork Waterfall is a 20 meters high, 110 meters long cascade waterfall. The waterfall, which lies at the base of Tork Mountain in the Killarney National Park, is 4.3 miles from Killarney in Kerry, Ireland. The word Tork is from the Irish translation of a wild boar, and the area is associated with legends involving wild boars. One legend is of a man who was cursed by the devil to spend each night transformed into a wild boar. But when his secret was revealed by a local farmer, he burst into flames and disappeared into the nearby Devil's Punch Bowl on Mangerton Mountain, from which the Ovengareth River emerged to hide the entrance to his cave beneath the Tork waterfall. Muckross House is located on the small Muckross Peninsula between Muckross Lake and Lough Lean, two of the lakes of Killarney. It is a mansion designed by the British architect William Byrne, built in 1843 for Henry Arthur Herbert and his wife, the watercolorist Mary Balfour Herbert. The front entryway has a plethora of mounted trophy heads, including an enormous rack of antlers from the Irish elk found preserved in a local bog. Dingle Bay is a bay located in County Kerry, Western Ireland. The bay runs approximately 40 kilometers from northeast to southwest into the Atlantic Ocean. It is approximately 3 kilometers wide at the head and 20 kilometers wide at the entrance. Part of the bay is a protected lowland estuary with tidal flats. The bay is home to fungi, a wild dolphin. Inch Beach spans for 5 kilometers and is the perfect place with an easy gradient and plenty of space, providing a safe environment for all types of water sports, including surfing, kayaking, windsurfing, kite surfing, hang gliding, and fishing.